Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. With these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2017 Expedition EL. This is the largest SUV in the Ford lineup with seating capabilities of up to 9 people. The Expedition EL is the elongated version of the standard Expedition and offers generous cabin space, aggressive looks, and outstanding towing capabilities, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, stability control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.